Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Differences between DNA and RNA. So coming to DNA, first point has high molecular weight. DNA having high molecular weight. Coming to RNA has very low molecular weight compared to the DNA. Here, see the second point in DNA, double-stranded polynucleotide chain. We already discussed polynucleotide chain. It means double-stranded means we already know that DNA having double-stranded. It means 3 to 5 end and 5 to 3 end. So, we are calling as double-stranded polynucleotide chain. Here, number of nucleotides is present in the chain. So, coming to RNA, single-stranded polynucleotide chain is present in the RNA. In DNA, deoxyribose sugar is the pentose sugar. In RNA, coming to RNA, ribose sugar is the pentose sugar. Coming to DNA, in the fourth point, thymine is present in the DNA. Coming to RNA, at the place of thymine, second position, uracil is present in case of RNA. So, here you can see the fifth point in DNA, unusual nitrogen bases are absent in DNA. Coming to RNA, unusual nitrogen bases are present. Here, see in the DNA, genetic material of all living organisms. DNA is the genetic material of all living organisms. Coming to RNA, genetic material of some viruses. Now we are going to discuss about genetic code. Before going to discuss about genetic code, we want to know that concept of a gene. Let's see here. Gene is the basic unit of inheritance. Inheritance means it is the pathway of the genetic trails. Trails means characteristics, and it expression from one generation to the next generation. It means inheritance that expresses specific character. So some other scientists they given the definition of a gene. Let's see here. In the year of 1857, the Gregor John Mendel he is conducted hybridization experiments with the pea plants. He is called them as a factors. So here you can see that the another scientist in the year of 1909, Dhanush botanist Johnson proposed that each portion of a chromosome that controls a phenotype is called a gene. Here you can see that Greek means that gene in Greek means to give birth to. Okay, so here you can see that the another scientist in the year of 1941, the George W. Bedell and Edward T. Totem, they are discovered that genes control the production of enzymes. It means they given that they proposed that one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. Some other scientists they are given the definition of a gene. Let's see here. In the year of 1944, Ashford T. Avery announced that DNA is the substance which is responsible for the heredity. Heredity means it is the transmission of genetic characteristics from parents to offspring. And another scientist, Watson and Crick, these are the two scientists, they are discover chemical structure of a DNA. So the DNA is chemically composed of deoxyribose sugar, that is nothing but pentose sugar, and phosphate group and nitrogen bases. This is the chemical composition of DNA. It is given by the scientists Watson and Crick in the year of 1950s. And here you can see that the gene is made up of a specific sequence of DNA nucleotides. Here nucleotides is nothing but base pairs, that is nothing but adenine, guanine, thymine, cytosine. These are the DNA nucleotides. Let's see here. Simmer and Benger proposed that modern concept of a gene while working on E. coli, the bacteria, Escherichia coli, and T4 bacteriophage. T is nothing but Tile4 bacteriophage. Here, according to him, gene is cistron. It is consist of cistron, recon, muton, replicon. We will discuss one by one. According to the scientists Simber and Benger, they are proposed that modern concept of gene it is consist of cistrons, recons, muton and replicon. Let's see here cistron. Cystone is the structural gene. It is functional unit of DNA molecule that codes for the specific polypeptide which is responsible for the protein synthesis. Coming to recon, it is the unit of DNA that undergoes recombination. Recombination is nothing but it will forms from the different host or different organisms. So we are calling as recombination. It is recombined to form. Here muton. Muton, it is the unit of DNA that capable to undergoes mutations. Mutations is nothing but changes. After that you can see that replicon. Replicon, it is the unit of DNA that undergoes replication. Replication is nothing but it will produces the multiple identical copies of the exact copies of the original DNA. Now we are going to discuss about genetic code. Some other definitions is also there here. Genetic code, codon and anticodon. Let's see here genetic code. So here the genetic code is nothing but the three specific nucleotide. What is means of nucleotide? Simply remember here the phosphate group is added to the nucleoside. We are calling as nucleotide. Right, so here three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid which is present in the DNA is called as genetic code. So now you can see that another definition, codon. So the three specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid which is present in the mRNA messenger RNA is called codon. Now you can see here anticodon. So what is means of anticodon? Let's see here the three specific nucleotides sequences that codes for specific amino acids which is present in anticodon arms of tRNA. tRNA is nothing but transfer RNA is called anticodon. Anticodons are complementary to codons. Genetic code, it is the involvement of scientists from several disciplines, physicists, organic chemists and biochemists and geneticists. It was the scientist George Gamow, a physicist, who argued that since there are only 4 bases and if they have to code for 20 amino acids, the code should be consisted a combination of bases. He suggested that in order to code for all the 20 amino acids, the code should be made up of 3 nucleotides. This was a very bold proposition because a permutation combination of 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but 4 into 4 into 4 could generate 64 codons. Finally, a checkerboard for genetic code was prepared which is given in the table 6.1, the codon for the various amino acids. Finally, a checkerboard for the genetic code was prepared which is given in the table 6.1. The codon for the various amino acids. Here the codon is very important. So let's see that codon is the 3 specific nucleotide sequence that codes for specific amino acid present in the mRNA is called codon. Here mRNA is nothing but messenger RNA. These codons, there are two types of codons, sense codons and non-sense codons. So what is means of sense codons and what is meaning of non-sense codons? Let's see here sense codons. Those codons which codes for amino acids. Now out of these 64 codons, these are few codons which do not code for any amino acids. So those codons are called as non-sense codons. Other than that, all other codons are sense codons. Total 64 codons are existed out of which 61 are sense codons. So most of the codons code for amino acids. The only 3 codons which do not code for any amino acids are called nonsense codons. For examples of nonsense codons is UGA, UAA, UAG. These are the 3 examples of nonsense codons. These often referred as stop codons. They do not code for any amino acids. So this genetic code is given by the scientist George Gamow. So here there are 64 codons which codes for the 20 amino acids. At the first position, 4 letters which denotes the 4 bases UCAG. Second letters denotes the second line and third letters denotes the third line. Genetic code is the triplet, 3 successive nucleotides on mRNA. The first nucleotide UCAG, there are 16 triplet codons starting with U. See the first row. Similarly, 16 triplet codons starting with C. See the second row is the first nucleotide. 16 triplet codons starting with A. See the third row is the first nucleotide. 16 triplet codons starting with G is the first nucleotide. See the fourth row. And similarly, we have 16 triplet codons starting with nucleotide. Similarly, we have 16 triplet nucleotide codons starting with nucleotide, middle nucleotide or second nucleotide U. 16 with second nucleotide. See the second row. C. 16 with second nucleotide C and 16 with second nucleotide A. See the third row and 16 with second nucleotide G. See the fourth row. Now you can see here. Now UU combination, CU combination, AU combination, GU combination in the first line like that. Third letters UCAG, see the first quarter, UCAG, second quarter, UCAG, third quarter, UCAG, fourth quarter. It is same. UCAG, UCAG, UCAG up to the end. It is the same like this. Now let's see that the codon codes for the various amino acids. The 64 codons codes for the 20 amino acids. Let's see here. See the first row, first quarter, nucleotide triplets, UUU, UUC. These codons codes for the amino acids phenylalanine. And UUA, UUG, these triplet nucleotides coded for the amino acids leucine. See the second row, first quarter, that is CUU, CUC, CUA, CUG. These nucleotide triplets codons coded for the amino acids leucine. See the third row, first quarter, that is AUU, AUC, AUA. These triplet nucleotides codons coded for the amino acid isoleucine. And AUG, triplet nucleotide codes for the amino acid methionine. So the methionine short form is MAT. That is nothing but AUG. See the fourth row, first quarter, that is GUU, GUC, GUA, GUG, triplet nucleotide codons coded for the amino acids valine. Now you can see here first row, second quarter, that is UCU, UCC, UCA and UCG. These triplet nucleotide codons coded for the amino acids serine. Now you can see here first row, third quarter, that is UAU, UAC, triplet nucleotide codons coded for the amino acid tyrosine. UAA, UAG, triplet nucleotides which do not code for any amino acid. So we are calling as nonsense codons. These codons are referred as stop codons. You can see here first row, fourth quarter, UGU, UGC, triple codons coded for the amino acids serine. UGA, is the stop codon, and UGG is the it is the codon which is codes for the amino acid tryptophan. See the second row, second quarter, that is CCU, CCC, CCA and CCG. These nucleotide triplets codons coded for the amino acids proline. See the second row, third quarter, that is CAU, CAC, triple nucleotides codons coded for the amino acid histidine. CAA, CAG is the codon which is codes for the amino acids glutamine. See the second row, fourth quarter, that is CGU, CGC, CGA and CGG. Triple nucleotides codons coded for the amino acids arginine. See the third row, second quarter. See the third row, second quarter, that is ACU, ACC, ACA, ACG triplet nucleotide codons which is coded for the amino acid threonine. See the third row, third quarter, that is AAU, AAC codons coded for the amino acid asparagine, and AAA, AAG triplet codons coded for the amino acid lysine. See the third row, fourth quarter, that is AGU, AGC triplet nucleotide codons coded for the amino acid serine, and AGA, AGG codons coded for the amino acid arginine. So see the fourth row, second box, that is GCU, GCC, GCA and GCG triplet codons coded for the amino acids alanine. See the fourth row, third quarter, that is GAU, GAC triplet nucleotide codons coded for the amino acids aspartic acids, and GAA, GAG triplet nucleotide codons coded for the amino acids glutamic acid. See the fourth row, fourth quarter, that is GGU, GGC, GGA and GGG triplet nucleotide codons coded for the amino acid glycine. The scientist George Gamow given the codon for various a combination of 4 cube, it means 4 into 4 into 4 could be generated 64 codons which is coded for the 20 amino acids. This is the overview of the various codons coded for the various amino acids. General features of genetic code or the silent features of genetic code are as follows. Let's see the silent features. The codon is triplet. Out of 64 codons, 61 codons are code for amino acids and 3 codons does not code for any amino acids. Hence they function as stop codons. Examples UAA, UAG, UGA. These are the examples of stop codons. And one codon codes for only one amino acids. Hence it is unambiguous and specific. Unambiguous is nothing but unaffectedly and undoubtfully. The genetic code is triplet. It means each codon is made up of 3 specific nucleotides. And genetic code is universal. This genetic code is universal. It means each codon codes for specific amino acid in all living organisms. Genetic codon are no overlapping. It means adjacent codon never shares 3 nucleotides. And genetic code is commaless. It means there is no gap between neighboring codon. The codon is read in mRNA, that is nothing but messenger RNA, in a continuous fashion. There are no punctuations. The genetic codon is degenerative in nature. It means more than one codon codes for single amino acids. Examples: GUA, GUG, GUC, GUU. These are the codons code for valine. Initiator codon. AUG is the initiator codon that initiates the protein synthesis. It codes for the amino acid methionine. So here the methionine, the short form of methionine is nothing but met. You can clearly see in the checkerboard. Okay, so AUG is the met amino acid. Now you can see here terminator codon. Among 64 codons, the 3 codons UAG, UGA, UAA, these that does not codes for any amino acids. So these are called as terminator codons or nonsense codons. So here you can see that genetic code is unambiguous. It means each codon codes for specific amino acid and only one amino acid. Example, the codon UUU codes for the amino acid phenylalanine only. Genetic code is unidirectional. Codon reads in 5 to 3 direction only. Obel base. Now what is means of obel base? In each codon, third nitrogenous base is less specific. Examples: GUA, GUC, GUG, GUU. These codons code for the valine.